Hello everyone, it's Susan here. In today's video, I'm going to work on my very first page in my junk journal. So I'll be pulling that page out. Let me share with you some of what I'm going to use. I have the July Your Creative Studio box, and there's so much good stuff in here. Oh my gosh. This vellum alone is just yumminess. So I know I'm going to be using a piece of that. So I'll be going through here to see, what I can pull out from here. I mean, there's stamps in here, there's paper pads, there's stickers. It's just, oh, there's washi. Oh my gosh, I gotta take the washi out. But the stamps are in these little packages right here. So lots of fun stuff. So I'll be looking through that box. And I do want to use these and put this on the top of, on the page, on the front page. It says Susan's Junk Journal, so I want to do that. Those are the Tim Holtz alphas. I did cut out this really pretty flower from rice paper. I think it's from Merrimee Small Art is where I got that. Don't know what I'm going to use, but I do know that these are the things I'm going to start with. I really like this digital. This is from Tina from Shabby Dabby Doodah, so I'm pretty sure I'm going to be using that. And I have other stuff in here. I don't know. We're going to see. So let me go ahead and take out this first page. So this still will flop over, right? But this right here is what I'm going to work on. It's just this piece right here. I'm almost like, I don't know if nervous is the right word, but I'm just a little, I don't know, nervous. Okay, so what I do want to be sure of is that I really don't go much over this little line right here. So I'm going to open it, and now I know that basically this is the area that I'm going to work on. If I need to take this off, I'll take it off. I'm not truly married to much of anything here. Yeah. So I would love to use some washi, and I would love, vellum, and I would love to use this. Now see, I think that looks super pretty on that brown background. I thought about putting it on here and like cutting down the vellum, but I don't want to lose all this gorgeous vellum under this big piece either. So now I have a dilemma already. I didn't even get anything down yet. I could do something like that where, it's not the whole. You know what I think I'm going to do? I think I'm going to fast forward and put some music on. And let me go ahead and think about this. And yeah, okay, I'll see you at the end of it. All right, everyone, I have finished my first page. Susan's junk journal, I put a piece of, I don't know what this is, but it looks really cool, along with the digital, the rice paper, some lace down here, and made a little pocket. And I used one of my little clusters that I made last night. Yeah, I mean, you saw everything I added on here. And this was a tag that I had made, I don't know, days ago. So I think that that is super pretty. So I'm done with this. So now the trick is going to be getting this back into the junk journal. So see, I can't do anything super thick or textured because I have to be able to slide these pages in and out. So for now, I'm in good shape because this is going to be, I think, easy to put back in here. I have to get used to how to handle this. I'm not quite used to it yet. Wait, where's the end of my, there it is. So I think I'll get more used to it as, oh, I think I might have to, no, I think I got it. I'll get more used to it as I use it, because I feel like a fish out of water right now, so I'm just kind of learning. So that's going to go like that. That's going to end up like that. And then here's our first page. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. What do you think? So this journal, again, just, you know, I watch and follow Nina Ribena a lot. And so not only is the style of this journal the way that she makes them, where you can pull the pages in and out, but she also just simply decorates her pages. It's not for journaling, like truly like writing on. I could, if I wanted to, on some pages, absolutely. And so then the next time, I can see I have to glue this a little better, maybe put a couple staples up there just to make sure. But you know, like what Nina does is, like, she won't necessarily do the pages in order. She'll look through and say, oh, that's a great page. Let me work on that one next. And then she pulls that one out and she works on it. So that, oopsie, yeah, the adhesive did not work on this. I'm going to use my tiny attacher and I'll attach this up top here because it's being super temperamental, my goodness. But all is good and I'm happy with it. Please let me know what you think. And oh, look at how awesome that looks. I love it. Thank you so much for being here. And if you would like to see more videos of me working through this junk journal, as well as, you know, making tags and clusters and all other kinds of very grungy junk journal-y type stuff, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. All right, thank you so much for being here. I appreciate you all. God bless. Bye-bye.